Hello guys, as you can see, that's the dividends we get in April. We got from Merck, Taiwan Semiconductor, GSK, Dollar General, Koning, Klije, Ahold and Altria. We start to get more consistent dividends. That's interesting. I just top up now with £100 as we do every month. So the only thing we have to do now is just buy some new companies that provide what we are looking for. And what we are looking for is more yield than all the ETFs of the Standard & Poor's 500 included. Standard & Poor's SPY, basically. The ETF for Dividends Aristocrat and High Yield Standard & Poor's 500. We want to beat them in performance and yield. Okay, so it's very difficult because this broker free trade is not good enough, because companies I want to buy, they don't let me. They want me to upgrade, but I don't want to upgrade for this little experiment, And then the only thing I have to do is go and move all the money to another broker. To all this money I'm using in this portfolio, move it to another broker. But anyway, that's another story. So we need to start with these new companies. We need to start checking how is the portfolio, yeah? So Omega Healthcare is our bigger position, then Walgreens Boots, Altria, Standard & Poor's Global, 3M, Broadcom. You see, some are winning, some are not winning. As you can see, most of the stocks are defensive. I know the stock market is rising. Believe me, I see it every single day. Okay? But I still believe, because the inflation is high and they keep rising, and they are going to keep rising interest rates, at some point the stock market is going to drop. Okay? That's how I think. And that's how I am operating. That's how I am managing this little portfolio. Okay? So we are gonna start buying some new shares in Omega Healthcare. Why Omega Healthcare? Well, they beat the market the other day, and still with Omega Healthcare we get the 9.40% yield, which is phenomenal, So in this case, we are going to buy £20. Review order, confirm buy. Yes, amazing. Sending an order, take a minute. I don't care if it takes a minute or take 2 minutes. Done. Right, so we have now Omega Healthcare is even bigger, our position. We have a 9% yield. That's very important to keep getting more yield. Now, what's happened? What's the situation? If we go into recession, inflation is skyrocketing. Where the people are gonna buy the things? Which companies outperform the market when these kind of situations happening in history? I think Dollar General always perform really well when it's a recession. So we are going to put here £50. Confirm. Yes. This take a minute. Let's go. Let's do it, baby. Okay, done. So now Dollar General is our second biggest position. Okay, again, I think there are tough times ahead. Okay, so it's all giggling and laughing till the unemployment rate start to skyrocketing. People doesn't have as much money as they think, and they need to start buying in Dollar General. Right, and one because right. So this is the situation, guys. Dollar General. I'm going here. Dollar General have a low beta. That's interesting. That's what I'm looking for, but a very low dividend yield, just 1.0.9. So, like I said before, that's why I get more Omega Health to compensate, to keep our yield high, higher than Standard & Poor's high yield. Right, but we need another company with a very high yield. Which company is a company with high yield and low beta, 0.35? When when bad times are coming ahead, we need a solid portfolio. This is Veritone. And we are going to buy £25. New company we are buying now. Veritone. I'm going to show you now the numbers of Veritone and you're going to understand. But like I say before, look at these numbers, guys. 0.35 beta. So if Standard & Poor's go down -1, Veritone goes down -0.35 on average. Yeah? Pretty much 7% dividend yield and 7.28 P ratio. I know the company grow about 2, 3, 4% per year, but again, I don't believe this crisis is over. Okay? If the Fed keep rising interest rates, if there are pressure on the banks, small banks, zombie companies, difficult to get loans, I believe it's gonna be bad things ahead. But again, that's my views. This is not financial advice. I should say that at the beginning of the video, by the way. But yeah, this is not financial advice. You can get some ideas, you cannot. I don't know. That's, you do whatever you want. Right, now let's buy another company. So we go here and we are gonna buy Kroger. Kroger as well. Beta 0.47, which is low. 15 P ratio, slightly high so far, but we are going to buy just a little bit. Okay, let's see how Kroger performs. Buy. We have just available 13.71, so we are going to buy 50. Review order, confirm buy. Yes. So we add a little bit on Kroger. It's a supermarket company. I think if it's a crisis, still yeah, there is everything. If it's a crisis, people still go to a supermarket. So this is how our portfolio looks like for the month of May. And I'm going to repeat again what I have been saying for a long time. This is just an experiment. This is not financial advice. It's just for fun. It can give you some ideas. I mean, if this channel one day is big, whatever, I can go into more detail about companies and dividend grow, but come on, we are 300 people is follow me. My videos are watching just 20 people. What can I do? Yes, so so far this is our dividend portfolio. Like I said before, there are a few dividend kings. There are very, very solid numbers here, very solid companies. I mean, every single company are world class. So yeah, we will see how it's going in the next months. Right, guys. I hope you have a nice evening, and I will see you later. Bye bye.